when 3D printing technology was becoming more widespread, I thought this was the opportunity for our patients. That's when I came to the University of Melbourne.
He came to us with a clinical challenge, asking us if we'd be interested in helping him design a new joint replacement for the jaw. So my role was to develop a prototype of the first prosthesis and to ensure that the implant was able to withstand physiological loading once it was implanted into the body.
The first patient, he had been to a few specialists and they've all said, no, it's too hard. He was at his wit's end saying, can you help me? And so I turned around to my university partners and I said to them, is the joint ready to be implanted? In 2015, we did Australia's first 3D implant.
It all happened very quickly and it all happened with collaboration.
We've done close to 300 of these now.
These ideas don't just happen, and it takes someone like yourself with the willingness and the enthusiasm to actually see the project through.
It's a win-win for both of us.